Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll explore organization for marketers, in particular Windows AutoHotKey. But first of all, a few stats. Switching between tasks, also known as context switching, significantly impacts productivity and cognitive function. Studies show that it can reduce productivity by up to 40%. Listen to me well, 40%, and increase error rates by 20%. This is because each switch requires the brain to readjust, leading to attention residue and a cognitive cost. What is AutoHotKey? First, well, it's an easy to learn scripting language. As you will see later on in the benefits, it's a really fast way to get up to speed with a few powerful and useful automations for your daily workflow. The possibilities. Well, first, it's Windows software. It's easy to learn, so much shorter time than learning a traditional programming language, such as Python, for simple things. We can do text autocomplete, which is a killer feature of AutoHotKey. It's especially great for marketers who need to constantly fill profiles, respond to emails, instead of the old search for the document and then excruciatingly copying and pasting. Instead of that, they can just write a few keys and boom, it a whole line, a whole paragraph is filled, ready to be sent. Now, you can open websites, software applications, and documents in tandem, as you will see later on. You can use hotkeys and remapping of keys. Well, are we saying goodbye to a physical stream deck? A world of possibility opens, really. And now save hours or even days and weeks over the lifetime of one simple script. Well, they can get complex too, but sometimes simple is the best. Sometimes less is more. An example of the code. The first line opens a piece of software. The second line opens another piece of software. This is for a particular workload. Now, the third one opens a tab in Chrome. You can open it in Firefox or any browser of your choice. So you usually hunt for these separate elements, and as we saw in the stats, it takes away time, it takes away cognitive functions, and it's something you're just doing mindlessly, really mindlessly, and you can automate stuff like that, especially if you're switching context often. What does it do? Ta-da! Now you can see the browser in here, you can see the software in here, and for example, a key example is if you need to open a particular set of websites for a particular workflow, you can just open these tabs and ready. As you can see, you have a workflow without, clicking and clicking and clicking. You're wasting your time. And believe me, you can save minutes and even hours a year with one simple script. And that's the power of AutoHotKey. Well, thank you. But mind you, this was just an introduction to what could be a time lifesaver. Not saver of a fighting saver with a V. Okay, I invite you to dig further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.